Still think it's too late to plant? Think again. These 8 late summer crops grow fast and thrive in cooler fall temps, perfect for squeezing in one more harvest before winter. Stick around and I'll show you what to plant, when, and why it works. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff garden tips that actually work. Arugula. It germinates in just 2 to 3 days and honestly can be ready in as little as 25 days. This green prefers cooler soil, so late summer planting gives you crisp, peppery leaves right through the fall. Just sow directly and harvest when young for the best flavor. Spinach. Sow it in late summer for a sweet fall crop. Heat-tolerant varieties like Bloomsdale do well if it's still warm out. Spinach grows best in partial shade if your area is hot. Lettuce, leaf types, loose-leaf varieties like black-seeded Simpson mature in 30 to 40 days. Plant every 2 weeks for a steady fall supply, and, water consistently to avoid bitterness. Carrots. Sow in late July to early August. They actually taste better after a frost due to sugar development. Thin seedlings to avoid overcrowding and allow straight roots. Beets. Fast-growing, 45 to 60 days to harvest. You get double value, roots and beet greens. Try Detroit Dark Red or Chioggia for color variety. Radishes. Lightning fast. Some varieties mature in just 21 days. They're ideal for filling in gaps between slower growing crops. Oh, and remember to keep the soil moist to avoid that spicy bitterness. Broccoli. Transplant seedlings in late summer for a mid-fall harvest. It needs about 55 to 70 days, so, choose early maturing varieties like Waltham 29. Broccoli really benefits from consistent watering and a nitrogen-rich soil. Kale, the king of cold-hardy greens. It actually gets sweeter with frost and can survive well into early winter. You can sow seeds directly or transplant seedlings now for lush growth by October. Timing is everything, and planting these 8 crops now can give you the most productive fall garden yet. Got a favorite fall crop we missed? Drop it in the comments. And oh, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a planting window again.